Alright, what I have here is yet another computer project. Now, remember how I said I wasn't going to make another computer video? From what is most likely my last computer-related video until after my holidays are over. Well, I lied. This is a TrendNet TEW432BRP 802.11g router, except I disabled the wireless on it. The purpose for this is very simple. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using it to hook up some of my computers. Now, let's see here. What do I have? What do I have planned for this? I have an iMac G3600 right here, and an iMac G3350 right here, neither of which have wireless. I also have this ThinkPad, which, while as you can see, it can connect to wireless, it is very unreliable. So I thought, hey, why not use this, connect my, or share my wireless internet connection from the T500, and use this to connect multiple computers to it. Now, of course, I'm not going to really use all this stuff, and apparently I'm going to have to set the date and time here, because I've reset the router. Wow, so apparently it can only go up to 2012, which I think is stupid, but... Now check this out. Talk about stringing tripwires across your bedroom. This is only a temporary hookup. What I'm planning on doing is maybe allowing a fourth connection to this, and hooking it up to a mono-wall machine, and then having the mono-wall machine allow access to all of the untrustworthy computers that I may or may not be plugging into this network. Alright, so I have this built up, and let's see if it works. I'm going to go ahead and just go to some random page here. Go to YouTube, and what we should see is the wireless indicator on here go off. And we do. And we can go to YouTube, at least on there. So let's try it on another machine. Let's just try it on some random system. I think this one's as good as any. Go to 10.4 which is an awesome program, by the way, if you're into PowerPC stuff. Hopefully it loads sometime in the next decade. We're going to go to YouTube on this thing, which isn't going to work very well. Actually, I think I'm just going to go to Google on this one, because I don't want it to take forever to try and load a page that clearly it was not designed to do. Alright. Let's go to Google. Oops, wrong machine. I want this keyboard. Google.ca. Enter. See if we can go to Google. We can go to Google, at least on that one. So I'm going to shut this off because this is resulting in some unnecessary power draw. And let's try this one, if this one even has a web browser on it. I don't know, I haven't really looked in a while. Let me just shut itself off. We have installer logs, applications. Should be in the applications folder if I had to guess. Classilla. Let's run Classilla. See if I can connect using Classilla. I don't know. Whoops. See what I mean about tripwires? Although that actually wasn't one of the tripwires I strung, that was the power cord. This is all going to be off the floor by the time it's all said and done. It's going to be right there, and the clock's going to be on top of it. Hi there, Classilla, blah blah blah. Let's see here. You are running the most current version. That's good. I don't bite much. Now, if I'm willing to bet this is the machine that it's not going to work on, we can go to Google using Classilla. Now, Internet Explorer, I believe, is also on this machine somewhere. Browse the internet. Oh, yep, Internet Explorer 4.5. And apparently it can also work. Awesome. And once again, I am sorry for the terrible blinking. It's trying to load. It's not really going to work that well. Alright, stop that. So obviously it works so far anyway. There you have it. There's a setup of this thing. And when I come back, it will be in its necessary state. Alright, let's plug this in for the inaugural smoke test. Let's unplug this PowerBook, because we don't need it. And I certainly don't use it anyway. Let's plug it in. So it goes boom. This might be a problem because I don't think it has enough clearance. Ah, dear. Okay. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll unplug this from here and put this here, because that fits better there. That has more clearance. And we'll just plug it in here to this. Here we go. Alright, did it boot? So far it has booted. Yep, we have a device. It looks like it's connecting. I'm going to close that out. Okay.